Hello everybody on YouTube, and today I will be doing part 9 of how to make a game with game salad. Last video, I named 2 videos how to make a game with game salad, episode 8, but yeah, so episode 9 today. This is going to be a much longer video than usual because we're going to be doing a lot more stuff, so yeah. So, just create an actor and name him. Just name him whatever you want. I will name him Bob. B-O-B. And then I'm gonna make another actor. And it's gonna be just enemy. Whatever you want. And then simply go into Bob right here. Select Bob. Go into here. You would, do your usual kind of stuff, just make some rules, blah blah blah. So you want to do 4 rules. K, put in a K for each one, but only do 2 at a time. Actually, hold down Shift for the first one, then click on W. Then the second one, hold down Shift, click D. We've done this a lot though. Then for the first one, click on Do. Second one, click on Do. Then right here, move, and then move, and then in this one, for the very top one, do 90. For the bottom one, do 0. That should be good for that. And then for the second and third, for the third and fourth one, do the same thing. So K, S and S, and then do this for do and do, then do M, move, and another move. And so for the third one, so for S, do move in direction 270 degrees. For A, do move in direction 180, and that's good for that. And then, yeah, and then we're going to be doing something that we haven't done yet, and so right here in this game tab, make sure we have this selected. Well, actually, before that, we just have to make, let's have Bob selected, then click on actor. Actually, no, we aren't going to do that, but in game right here, I'm going to click on this plus, and then click on integer. Now guys, I will be back in 1 second. Sorry for the technical difficulties. Okay guys, that was just a little technical difficulty that I solved. But now that we have made this integer right here, where it says new attribute right there, you want to actually simply type in health. But that's all we want for that. And then, yeah. And then, and then we're going to go into GIMP, which I've used in my previous videos. Just going to open up GIMP right here. Let's see, it's loading up. And then you come up this screen. Now this is the Windows version, so not for Mac. Mac's a lot different. New file. Now right here where it says advanced options, click on that. Click on background color, select transparency, and then OK. And then, so this is basically going to be our player. You can make him look like whatever you want. I'm going to make him look like what you usually think. Actually, why not make a square? Square is a boss. I'll make him like Steve in Minecraft, I guess. Blah blah blah. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, that actually looks pretty cool. I'll just make him say hi. There. Hi. It's hard to tell that that's an H and I because it's all weird. But then click on File, Save As, and then select Desktop right here. Then select File Type by extension, scroll down a lot till you see PNG image, and then change the untitled.png to put in whatever you want. and then make sure you have PNG image selected and desktop, and then save. And then basically what you come up with is this guy. And then you on your desktop, and then so I have Bob selected, and then have the actor tab selected, and drag him in here. We've actually done this before though. And then I'm just basically going to drag him in right here. And now what the transparency thing basically does is that then makes it so you only see what you've drawn and you don't actually see the white on the screen, which makes it a lot cooler, more fun to play with. And then basically we're gonna have actor selected, enemy selected right here. Sorry guys, enemy. I don't want to rename him, but we're gonna have him selected. And we're gonna have, we have to go back to Bob here, and then have actor selected right here, and scroll down to physics right here, and then make sure fixed rotation and movables on, and then go into enemy, and then go into physics and make it so, oh wait, that's good, that's actually really good. And then basically now what we're gonna do is we're gonna also make it a platformer, so we're gonna select scene right here, size, and change the width. Actually, we can change to that. I don't want it to be too big because it's not gonna be that big of a video I'm making. So 3000 is a very decent size. It's a good size, just 3000. And then we're gonna have enemy selected, our actor enemy. Good, we have enemy selected. And in here, we're gonna then pull this up. Okay, there we go. Wait. Okay. Slowly. And right. Yeah, wait. Technical difficulties. Oh, there we go. We have to have enemy selected. And then we can pull up this brown thing. Whoa. This is weird. Oh, there we go. Well, that didn't work, but I clicked on this little thing right here, so it brought this up anyway, so that'll be good. So then we're gonna make just in this little box, type in M, move in direction. We don't want to do any of that stuff. And then we're gonna simply close that up, and then we're gonna, so now that we have all that, we want to simply go over here to Bob. And then open up Bob here, and then we're gonna make right here, this has this little thingy, this little box, and we're gonna go there and click on change. We'll go put in a C, then right here where it says change attribute, we're gonna click on that. But then we're gonna actually go back right here where it's in game, and it'll say health. There'll actually be a 0 next to that, and we're going to change that to a 5. And then we're going to go back here for this, and then the change attribute, and we're going to click on this little A, drag this up, click on attribute, game, health, and then, well actually we're going to, okay, I just did something wrong guys, don't, you can do that, but just delete that, what you just did, because that's not going to be good. You don't have that what you want to delete selected, then click on that. But so what we're gonna do is make a rule, and so in this type in C, and then collide with actor enemy, and then right here it'll say it will be this little box. Then put in that, then do change attribute, and what you want to do here is this, and click on that and change attributes, game, health, and then attribute, game, health. Want to double click on that, but don't actually close that up. then this is game health, then type in a minus, and then a 1, and then click on the check, and then we're gonna make another reel, and this is gonna be an attribute. Click on, put in an A, then if, and then click on this attribute, game health equals 0, do destroy, and then we're just gonna make one more actor, and this is gonna be just name them whatever you want, so LOL, and then you're gonna right here type in a D, and then click on display text, and you're gonna click on the C attribute game health, and then get rid of hello world, and then we're gonna make the color red, or whatever you want, basically. Wrap text inside of actor, and then we're gonna put in LOL wherever you want. I'm gonna put it on the bottom of the screen in different places, so wherever we go we'll be able to see how much health we have, which is pretty easy, pretty awesome. So as you can see, the video has been 11 minutes long. Yeah, but I believe the longer the video someone makes is the longer it takes to upload it to YouTube. And then we're just gonna, now that we have those set to the bottom of the screen, we're gonna get the enemies. Well, actually what we want to do is have enemies selected, actor tab selected, right there, and then I'm just gonna make them any random color, so I'll just make them kind of peachy. And then you can put in enemies randomly, and you can make a spawner for this. I think I'll make it in the next video. I'll show you how to make something that spawns this. It's actually really simple. Let me see. Put in a bunch of enemies. I just want to show you how this will work. How this works. I only put in 2, but this will just give you an idea on how it actually works. And then simply do this, and then you'll see. Oh wait, let's see. Okay, wait. We're also gonna have enemy selected. Select enemy, then simply get enemy selected. Move in direction, and then we're gonna have direction, so we put in 180, and then it should be good. And then watch this. So see, I collided with it, and you might not be able to see that perfectly, but if I simply zoom in, it has a number. I'll show you that number. Let's show you. Oh wait, I didn't do the actual thing for the for, you know, what the platformer is. It didn't actually make a platformer, but watch my previous video and you will see it. So if you enjoyed this video, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will be making another video a little bit more detailed than this one. And yeah, goodbye.